Hi, this is Nancy with the Hospice Care Plan and Odin Out of Care. We've been talking a lot about how to manage catheters in hospice care, and I'm going to introduce you to a catheter that we haven't talked about. It's called a Macy catheter. Sometimes when a patient is unable to swallow towards the end of their life, even comfort medications that need to be given orally or sublingually are too much for a patient to tolerate. And they may be having, for instance, nausea and vomiting. They can't keep anything down. Well, we can give medications in the rectal route, and this is a very comfortable way to do it, and it's fairly new. This is called a Macy catheter, and it looks very much like a urinary catheter, as we've shown before, and yet this particular catheter, it has a balloon just like a regular catheter, but it is inserted into the rectum. And the medications are then put through into this port, and they are released fairly high up into the rectum so that they can be absorbed and provide comfort to the patient who is unable to swallow medications. Very comfortable. People say, well, can they still have a bowel movement? Yes, the balloon will keep the catheter in place. Again, it's very comfortable. A bowel movement can be had around the catheter, or sometimes they can actually push it out, and in that case, we just reinsert the catheter. It isn't used very often because generally patients don't need it, but we have so many ways to provide comfort when a patient is in hospice care, and we wanted you to know about the other, and that is the Macy catheter. Please watch all of our videos about catheters or comfort care, because that's what we're all about. Go to YouTube, the Hospice Care Plan. And don't forget to look at our booklet too. We can write down individual instructions for every single patient in this as our workbook. It is the centerpiece of the care plan for every hospice patient. Thank you.